Welcome to everyone. My name is Nur Ramadan binti Rizal and my matric number is 01DIB22F1016. For today, our group will be presenting about personal banking. First, I will explain about what is personal banking. Personal banking is a type of banking service and product line offered by banks to retail customer that is consumer rather than business, intermediaries and institution. Bank worldwide offer personal banking product that typically include saving and transaction facilities such as a bank transaction account, debit card and interest-bearing floating account, and a fixed interest deposit account for a specific agreed period, which can vary according to the bank. In addition, it also includes debt facilities such as loans, mortgage and credit card. In other words, retail banking is a way for individual consumers to manage their money and have access to credit and deposit their funds in a secure manner. Next, I will explain about types of personal banking. First is account opening and closing. You can open various types of account, which is fixed deposit, recurring deposit, saving account, current account and actually through a bank personal banking service. You can also use personal banking service to close an account or withdraw money from an account. Second is funds transfer. One of the primary personal banking service that strives to offer convenience when it comes to transferring money whether within the bank or to another bank. Through this service, you can option for instant transfer, transfer to another bank and credit card payment or other bank transfer. Third is check account or transaction history. In case you want to check whatever transaction you made in a particular month or want to download your lifetime transaction history, you could do so with this service. It helps you to keep a check on your cash outflow. And the last one is transactional service. This will include money transfer, paying your credit card bills, setting up standing instruction, auto debit via net banking, bill payment and actually. This service make it more convenient for customers to seamlessly pay their bills. And next, I will pass to the next person.
So I will continue about the presentation. Before that, my name is Tina Afrina binti Al-Zahari. My matric number 01DIB22F1015. So I will talking about the advantages of personal banking. The first point is convenient access to financial service. With mobile banking and online transaction becoming mainstream, individuals can now manage their finance from anywhere at any time. Mobile banking allows customers to check their account balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and even deposit checks using just their smartphone or tablet. So the next point is incentive programs. Many banks offer incentive programs as part of their personal banking service to attract and retain customers. Some banks offer incentive programs such as reward points or discount for using credit cards as well as better interest rates to loyal customers. Third point is improved financial management. As we know, personal banking offer a variety of benefits to account holders, one of which is improved financial management. With the help of personal banking service, individuals can easily track their income and expenses through budget tracking tools provided by banks. The features allows for better control over spending habits and help people stay in top of their finance. The last point is enhanced security and fraud protection. Most banks offer biometric authentication as an added layer of protection. This technology uses unique physical characteristics like fingerprints or facial recognition to verify your identity before granting access to your account. The next point is credit monitoring service are another key features provided by many banks. This service keep a constant eye on your credit report for any suspicious activity or unauthorized inquiries. If they detect anything or out of the ordinary, you will be notified immediately.
Okay, now I will continue to explain and discuss more detail about this advantage of personal banking. So before I continue, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Izzat Amir bin Rosli. My matric number is 01DIB22F1006. As you can see here, these are the disadvantage of personal banking. So the first one, it has limited services. Personal banking may not offer the extensive range of financial products and services through private banking or corporate banking. This means that personal banking service may not provide as wide a variety of financial products and services as those offered by private banking or corporate banking. Personal banking typically caters to individual consumers, whereas private banking serves high net worth individuals and corporate banking focus on business. Now we'll move to the second disadvantage, that is higher fees. Personal banking often involve higher fees for services such as overdrafts, account maintenance, or ATM usage compared to other banking tiers. This means that personal banking services are designed for individual consumer and typically cater to a broader range of customers compared to private or corporate banking, which they target specific demographic or business. However, because personal banking serves a larger and more deserved customer base, banks often charge higher fees for various services to cover the operational costs and mitigate risks associated with individual accounts. Okay, this is the third disadvantage of personal banking, that is less tailored advice. The level of customization advice may not be as comprehensive as in private banking, where clients typically have higher asset, live land, more complex financial needs. Okay, this means that personal banker do provide guidance and advice to their client. The level of customization and tailored advice they offer may not be as extensive as what is available in private banking. In private banking, clients usually have higher level of asset and more complex financial needs, which necessitates a higher degree of personalized service. Therefore, private banker often provide more tailored advice and customized financial solution to meet the specific requirement and objective of their clients, compared to the more generalized advice typically provided in personal banking. And the last one is lower interest rate. Interest rates on saving accounts and other financial products in personal banking may be lower compared to those offered to high net worth individual or corporate clients. In personal banking, there are high net worth individual and corporate clients usually that have larger account balance or higher borrowing needs. To attract and retain this client, banks usually may offer more competitive interest rates on saving accounts and loans tailored to their specific financial circumstance. These higher rates can serve as incentive for wealthy individual and business to deposit funds or take out loans with the bank. Okay, that is the disadvantage of personal banking. Okay, now this is the products related to personal banking. I will share you guys 4 examples of products that related to personal banking. So the first product is saving account. These accounts help you save money while earning interest. They often have fewer withdrawal options compared to the checking accounts, but these offer higher interest rates. So the next example of the products is credit cards. Banks offer various credit card options with different reward programs, interest rate, and benefits. Credit cards allow you to make purchase on credit and pay them back later, often with added perks like cashback or travel rewards. There are many rewards that usually they offer for many various of credit cards. So the third one is personal loans. These are loans provided by banks that can be used for various personal expenses, such as home improvements, debt consolidation, or unexpected expense. So these personal loans can help you to use for debt, and they typically have fixed or variable interest rates and set repayment terms. And the last example that I will give for a product related to personal banking is online and mobile banking. Many banks provide online and mobile banking platforms that allow customers to manage their accounts, pay bills, transfer money, and access other banking services remotely. So an example that I will give is from Maybank. Maybank provide an online and mobile banking that is MAE. That is the example of online and mobile banking for Maybank that we can use daily. So now we'll continue to other presenter to explain.
To sum up, personal banking refers to the vast array of goods, means berbagai jenis barangan, and service that banks and other financial organizations provide. Rather than catering to the demands of a business, these bank products are expressly made to satisfy your needs. And maybe carrying around stacks of cash and waiting in lines for hours on end is more appealing to some people. But for those who value convenience, financial management, security, and excellent customer service, personal banking is the way to go. So that's all from us. Thank you.